Hello, thank you for joining Raspberry PKR tutorials. In this quick little video I'm going to show you my latest projects that I've been doing with my son Oliver. It's a night light for him and it's also some background music. So it's a touchscreen, official touchscreen. There's the code that I've got running on it. On the inside there is, if you pop that off, as easy as you like, a speaker bonnet, 3 watt speakers. I don't need access to the USB ports because everything's all set. These little speakers, 3 watt, fit in that gap perfectly. There's a slight bit of hot glue on the bottom side of the speaker and just there for the cable and an extra mounting point. There's the other speaker, and it all fits in really nicely. I've got that little adapter on there so that the cable doesn't come up, so it just looks a bit tidier when you're looking at it on the forwards. So let's run the code. So it's got a time going, today's date, and we've got a start, station and stop. So the bright screen should hopefully give him enough light in his room as a backlight, but he wants to listen to some music. So when he clicks start, as you can see, it's playing Capital Chill. Florence Marsh is the song title, artist. I've only got 2 stations programmed in at the moment. Click station and it'll swap to Magic. So there we go, and it'll go back to the other, or it'll stop. So there you go, quick little video, hope you like it. Thanks for watching.